So children, today let us do the exercises from Marty's Miracle, page number 73. Transitive and intransitive verbs. Please listen to these sentences. The little group waits on the platform. The train arrives at the station. I should apologize. They live in a Sussex village. The verbs waits, arrives, apologize and live are intransitive verbs because this means that they are not followed by an object. An object is a noun or a pronoun which receives the action of the verb. Now listen to these sentences. Mrs. and Mr. Williams sent Matthew to school. I will take some German cake to her. I borrowed the car for today. It would solve everything. So the verbs send, take, borrow and solve are transitive verbs because they have an object. The nouns Marty, cake, car and everything are the objects in the sentences what you heard. Now let's move to exercise A on page number 74. Read the sentences from the story. Are the verbs in bold transitive or intransitive? Write T or I. We will miss our train home. So here the highlighted word is miss. Miss what? Train. Our train. So it is transitive verb. So please write T. Number 2. Matty unknowingly ventures into someone's private property. So here the verb ventures is not immediately followed by an object. There is a preposition coming in between. So this is an intransitive verb. Number 3. So that evening Matty goes to the big house. This is also intransitive. Number 4. Can you make some tea? This transitive. 5. Mrs. Williams finds Matty crying. Here finds is transitive and crying is intransitive. Number 6. I have already acquired a new family and a splendid grandson. So the verb acquired is transitive. Number 7. The doctor prescribed complete bed rest for Lady Dorincourt. This is again transitive. Number 8. The teacher solved all the problems. This is also transitive. Next we have phrasal verbs. You know that a phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb and a preposition like up, out or down. Phrasal verbs can also be intransitive or transitive. When a phrasal verb is intransitive, the parts of the verb are not separated. The bus broke down. Now listen to this transitive phrasal verb which has the direct object, my father. Example, they beat up my father. Beat up is a phrasal verb here. So the phrasal verb is transitive. It is sometimes possible to separate the parts of the verb. This is nearly always done when the object is a pronoun. So this they beat up my father can be separated by putting a pronoun in the middle or in between beat up. It will be they beat him up. This him is a pronoun of my father. Let's now move to page number 75, exercise B. Read the sentences. Are the highlighted phrasal verbs transitive or intransitive? Write T or I. Number 1. We all sat down to have our dinner. This is intransitive. Number 2. Roy gradually settled down in his new school. Intransitive. Number 3. We put off our picnic for 2 weeks. Transitive. 4. After a series of bad incidents, things finally started looking up. Intransitive. 5. Would you please look up a word in the dictionary? Transitive. 6. The technician set up our new home theatre. This is again transitive. Exercise C. Read these sentences with transitive phrasal verbs. Change the object to a pronoun and rewrite each sentences so that the phrasal verb is separated. Number 1. Families gradually take away the children. So here the phrasal verb is take away. It has to be separated with a pronoun. So according to the example is given, families gradually take them away. So them is actually meant for the children. So in this way the phrasal verb is separated. Number 2. Matty quickly tears open the letter. So the phrasal verb here is tears open. It should be separated with a pronoun. So accordingly the answer will be Matty quickly tears it open. Number 3. Will you fill in the forms? So here the phrasal verb is fill in. So the answer will be will you fill them in. Number 4. Atul gave up eating mangoes many years ago. In this sentence the phrasal verb is gave up. So the answer will be Atul gave it up many years ago. It is actually the habit of eating mangoes. Number 5. Our teacher turned down our request for an outing. So here the phrasal verb is turned down. Accordingly the answer is our teacher turned it down. So it is actually meant for the request. Number 6. Could you please switch on the radio? Here the phrasal verb is switch on. So accordingly the answer is could you please switch it on. It is meant for the radio.